Skirt. Hello, hello. All right. Alright, I'll get started. Sorry about that terrible noise. So today I'm just gonna finish up. I've got checkout working, I think. And I just want to add, earlier I was doing some testing and I noticed that the program just kind of craps out when a product is either out of stock or it doesn't have a size. Like it's like a accessory or something. It doesn't have like a medium, large, or small or whatever. So I was gonna add support for items with no size, and I was gonna add something for out of stock products. Shouldn't be too hard, and I just want to test checkout. So I think the order of flow here is I'm gonna do the out of stock thing, and then I'm gonna do the thing for products with only one size, and then I'll do the test checkout using the dynamic fields thing that I've made. Here. So yeah, it's pretty lit. Yep. So I guess it's time to get to it. So firstly, let's do something with an out of stock product. So let me pull one up. I'm really tired all of a sudden. I don't know what just happened. All right, let's just do. Let's do these camo pants. They're kind of fancy. Warm up camo. So if we do that, let me run the script. What will it tell us? Yeah, it says found, and then it actually works the whole script. Let me go ahead and delete this source code here. I was trying to test out the dynamic fields, and this was really confusing me, because even if the product's out of stock, it'll say it added to cart and everything. If you pull up here, it'll say adding to cart ADC successful and everything, but it doesn't actually add to cart successfully. So yeah, gotta address that. Where is that? There's that. Okay. Yeah, okay. And then it hits you with this error if it's not actually added to cart. So there's a couple options I can do here. I can check cart. I can pull up the cart and using requests and see if it's in there, although that'll slow down the program. Or I can have it do the whole checkout here and then have it at the very end here be like, sorry, the product's actually out of stock. I don't know though. Yeah. I'm not too sure. Is there, let me check this. Yeah, I'm curious as if in there, if there's anything. Actually, I'm curious if in JSON there's anything that indicates out of stock. I'm assuming there is. So let me Alright, here it is. Okay. Ooh, a lot of stuff. Let's get that copied and let's get looking at it. Okay. Oh yeah, it's going to be a list. This does format it. Ignore the red. It is technically JSON, but it really isn't. It's weird. It's Python. Okay. Price. Let's find camera. Can't warm up. Maybe you can't even search that, is it not? Oh, you can. So what are we looking for? Waste bag. Warm up pant. Is there anything about it? Just sale price? Maybe not. After you get the ID, maybe it's in the product JSON. Happen to be cool. Alright. Maybe it'll be in here, in the ATC one. This one here where you get color ID and stuff. So here. Product JSON. Yeah, maybe product JSON. All right. Whoops. Got mute Slack. One sec. Okay. Let's see if there's anything. Stock level. There it is. Okay. Is this just all of the colors of the camo pant? I think so. So when we look for it, I don't know how I lost it. Size ID. Colorway, info name. Yeah, that's a little bit complicated. I don't know. I might just for now do at the end if it does give that error. I might just say the product's actually out of stock. It's not great for the future, but as of now, it'll at least clean it up. So. Getting custom values. If we try this, what line does it actually happen at? 148. Yeah, it's gonna be here. So if we try this, and if it doesn't happen, we want to print item is out of stock in red. Okay, now I just got to patch the rest up. You can't break from that, can you? I don't think you can. Yeah, break outside of loop. So then let's just do checkout. It's going to be false. Now, we're going to do if execute checkout. Do that. Else pass, I guess. Yeah. So it's out of stock. Should just say out of stock. Then chill. Yeah. In the future, I can come up with a much nicer way of doing that, but as of now, I don't really mind it. Okay, items out of stock. We got that handled. Oh yeah, now for items with one size. Let's go to some accessories here. Accessories. No, their size is unlucky. This. No way. Oh, sizes. Oh yeah, why don't I just go to a hat? That works. No sizes. So let's call it nylon visor in white. So what happens? Yeah, so color already referenced for assignment. Maybe if it's, maybe you just do that. Yeah, that works. Ooh. Oh, right, execute checkout. If I do it here, it should be true. There. Cool. All right, yeah, I think I actually got it all working. I thought the one size would be a lot harder. If it's one size, you just do n/a if it doesn't have a size selecting. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now I'm going to test the checkout using the full thing. So I'm now using a dynamic thing to get the values for the checkout that change on drop. These ones. I made a little thing for it. So yeah, let me plug my stuff in. I got to decide what I want first. As usual stream, I got to make the decision here. What do I want to buy? What will I wear? It's not completely sold out on here. Definitely not jeans. Sweatshirts, I'm pretty sure they're all sold out. And I don't really have a desire for any of these, to be honest. Let's see. Sorry to bore you guys by watching me shop, but if I'm gonna break the bank on this checkout, might as well find something I like, kind of. I might just end up getting an accessory or something. Yeah. Or deck. I don't like this decks at all. Even the keychains are sold out. Just adding insult to injury. And they're cheap too. I would have bought one so fast. I guess since we got the shirts last time, we can just get some boxer briefs. Cool. Time to check out. Let me plug my credit card. Plug my credit card information into the other tab. Yeah. Let me get this going. You guys are about to see the moment of truth. I'll post in Slack too. Okay. Just let the Slack know. Alright, let's do this. So just plugging in my information on another tab here. Getting there. Okay. I gotta see the format for Supreme's checkout because I don't know if it's it's a full year. Okay, wait, let's see what the values are. Credit card year, yeah, full year. I was gonna do the abbreviated one. Okay, so got my billing details plugged in. Let me go above and put in the details for the boxer briefs, so let's just do boxer briefs. Black. Okay. Let's give it a go. Let's see. Let's give it a go. Yeah, so the fields are dynamic. I can't show you the script source code right now, but I promise this is the script running. Let's go ahead and close this out of the way. Okay, found, added to cart, got the values. Okay, let's do our CAPTCHA. Of course, it's one of these ones. Okay, submit, bang, checked out, successful. Let's see, check the email. Logging in now to my email. Nothing there yet. Don't be let down if it didn't work. Just waiting. Just waiting. It's all good. Every success has its failures. Nah, it's alright. I'll keep this on the other tab while I see if I did anything wrong. Let me do a test checkout on the Supreme site with a fake card and see if my values are the same as the ones I put in here. I need something to say to keep myself motivated. Every success has its own failures, you know? Definitely not a real quote. Alright, fake name generator. Okay. Getting there. Helmsdale. KW866AS. 97 Holborn Lane. Let's get this card. I think I might know what I did wrong. It's a MasterCard. I have an idea of what I did wrong. It could have just been something on what I typed in for the values. Not a real card, don't worry. Don't steal my info. Okay. Let's preserve the log. Post. Test. Aha! Yeah, I didn't do oh, whoops. I did not do spaces in my credit card, and I had a feeling that might cause an issue. So yeah. And now that'll actually process it, and it'll say failed. Yeah, I didn't do spaces in my credit card, so I'm just gonna assume and hope that's what the issue was. So let me space out where the spaces should be. It's all good, guys. It's all good. I'm pretty confident it was just because I didn't do spaces in my card. So let me just check very quickly. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's give it a go. Okay, did the spaces in the card. Did the spaces in the card. Let's give it a go. Yours won't be this bad. I've just been doing CAPTCHAs all day, working. Okay. Let's check again. You know, maybe it wasn't the spaces in the card. Don't worry. Don't be discouraged. We're going to get this. We are going to get this. Let me see what the issue is. It's all good. It's all good. I'm staying calm. Sorry if I'm boring you. I thought it'd be a lot more hype. I thought it would probably just work out the gate, but not the case. Okay. Okay, let me just reprint all the values. So, give me a sec, guys. Can't show you the code because it's got all my credit card information embedded, unfortunately. So just give me half a second. Let me make sure the values are the same. So let me give a test checkout. Let me fudge my credit card number or something. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. After this, it'll print the values in the order that it's using. So type, yeah, CNB, that's the number. Month, yeah. Year, value, yeah. Okay, so that matches. Those match, so that's looking good. So it should be 03124. Yeah. Okay. The values match up. Moving on. Yeah, so that's going to be the same. Order terms should be 0, 1, GCapture response, yeah. HPCVV, yeah. Billing address, authenticity token, yeah, looks good to me. Let's give it another go with some fake information. Fake. So you can do more than that. Let's do. Does it tick I have red terms when you check out? Yeah, I mean, one of the values is order terms, and I do have that as ticked. So let's do that one. That's a fake address, I think. I hope I'm not like exposing someone that I know's address on here. Fake Amex. I'm using an Amex to check out, so let me use a fake Amex to get some. Just one. How does it not give you whatever? Whoops, Amex. Let's do 07, 2025, 254. The amount of personal information I've indirectly shown on these streams is just insane. People don't understand truly how dodgy it is to work on a checkout, like while you're streaming. Cause like the stream, I can't like, I don't have like software to be like, it's not like a professional production. This is literally a straight stream. So like if I accidentally show information, it's shown. Okay. Name, billing name, authenticity token. Yeah, okay. So let's compare. There. Yeah, looks good to me. Billing address 2. Looks good to me. Billing city. Yeah, looks good to me. Billing zip. Looks good to me. Billing country, GP. Same as billing address. 1. Store credit ID blank. Credit card type, American _ Express. Yep. With the spaces, that's the CC number. Month with the 0. Yep. Year. Yep. VVAL. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Order 01, then the CAPTCHA, then the HP CVV. Yeah, I mean that all does match up. Let me try a different card. Maybe it's the card. Maybe it is the card. Let's switch this to master. Let's check my email too, make sure I haven't actually checked out and I just haven't seen it. Which would be a bit of a treat, but I doubt it. Yeah, nothing in there. Okay. It would be quite funny if I'm not getting these emails and it's just like I have bought like a ton of boxers by now. Okay. Let's get this card typed in. Okay. Bang. Is it all good? Problem K211. Yeah. Okay. I think we're looking good. Just triple checking all of my information in great detail. Yeah, I mean, let's see. As I said, your capture will be a lot quicker. Mine's just crazy because of what's it called? Because I've been doing them all day. Checking my email. I don't see anything. Yep, nothing. I really got to figure this out. I'm very curious because nothing I'm doing doesn't match up with the code on the Supreme site. What if for now I go back and I do a checkout? Let me diagnose the issue. Let me go back to Supreme. Go back here. Go back to shop. Okay, I go here. I get this going. I'm just trying to get this through. I don't care about how it looks. Preserve log. There. Okay. Let me do this word for word on the data and see if it's an issue with the data. So I'm gonna get the data they gave here, and then I'm going to put my my own data and see if it's something with my custom dynamic variables. So, retyping in my billing information. Okay. Sorry, probably really boring right now, just trying to figure this out. If this does work, it'll really help me pinpoint what the issue is. And even if it doesn't work, it'll help me pinpoint it. Okay. Looks good to me. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's rerun it. Let's get the CAPTCHA. And I can't see a reason this wouldn't work. So I gotta think here. I have one other thing to do if this doesn't work, because I think I might know what it is. So let's keep refreshing. I'll keep some other monitor passively, but I'm pretty sure it didn't check out. Well, it like tried, but it didn't work. And I think I know what it might be. So give me a moment. Okay, maybe an idea as to what it is. Oh, sleep. There. So it'll hang up here because I'm testing something else. Let me keep my email up just in case I do get a confirmation from Supreme, but I doubt it. Okay. I think if this works, I'm fairly confident I know exactly what the issue is. But I don't know how to solve it necessarily. So we'll see. Checking out successful. Let's see if it shows up now. Yep. Yep. There it is. Yep, there it is in my inbox. It may have something to do with our manual CAPTCHA. So, what I'm gonna try now is I'm gonna try to have it work at, what was the subdomain I put on my computer? Harvest.SupremeNewYork? I think that was it. I'm gonna try to have it, I'm gonna have it host at that. So let me go back to Flask. Let me do app.run. Host is Supreme New York. Yeah. All right. And let's have our script to get that URL. Okay. Name or service not known. Ours, it's a New York, no. It might not be in my host file. Ugh. Okay. I'm going to put in another terminal window. I think it's, am I right? No. hosts one of them? Host name. Hosts, yeah. cd hosts. Or don't, maybe it's not a directory. Ah, right. Once you get it, hosts. harvest.supremenewyork.com. Maybe without the I don't know. The fuck is this thing on? I have it set up. It should work just fine. Name or service not known. Although I've done this before and it worked just fine. Now this is just a pain in the ass. All of a sudden. No idea what's causing this. Name or service not known. I've done this exact same thing before. Host harvest. Okay. Sorry you guys can't see the code. Oh, I can show you this actually. I'm trying to set the host to be my local Supreme New York harvest.supreme New York thing. And I have it set here. I don't see exactly why it's not working. Maybe we just do this, and maybe it's just tied to localhost. So let's just give that a go. Can't show you the main. Let's give this a go. Okay, it's harvest.supremenewyork.com. So now it's under the domain. So we did manual. Just do the checkout now. Let's see. If the checkout works, that means they do check the URL you get the CAPTCHA from. However, if it doesn't work, I'm not 1000% sure exactly how to do this. Because then you might have to just go with CAPTCHA solving services, but that wouldn't make sense to me. It might be something regarding the timestamp thing they use. As of right now, just have this one Supreme online shop order. Because the only difference between this and the what's it called? This and the Supreme thing. I mean, this and the auto CAPTCHA is that the auto CAPTCHA was the only thing you changed in this. Yeah, the only thing I changed in the successful checkout wasn't the URL of the CAPTCHA. It was the way I was getting the CAPTCHA. In the successful checkout, I used the CAPTCHA solving service, which takes like 20 seconds. But in all the unsuccessful checkouts, I used the manual checkout to get the token. So, yeah. Just gotta see here what exactly it is. And the only difference I can think of inherently with using the auto CAPTCHA is, what's it called? The only difference inherently in using the auto CAPTCHA is that they use the actual site URL. So I decided to do that. I did the harvest.supreme New York thing. But that clearly didn't work. So I gotta find. Did I delete it? Ugh. Jeez, I'm not sorry. I'm not too bright right now. Okay. I mean, I guess one thing I could do is just make sure the site key's the same on this and the. Looks the same to me. A time delay? No. Maybe. But when we first did our checkout, we didn't have a time delay and it worked just fine. But I will do a time delay. Good idea. I'll throw one in. Maybe solve the caption. Don't spit for a couple seconds and see. Even though it doesn't make. No. That's not a bad idea. No such thing as a bad idea, especially while we're trying to figure stuff like this out. It makes perfect sense. Let me just go back up here. I guess to be safe, I'll keep using the harvest.stream URL just to remove any inconsistencies. Oh shit, do I have it on the auto capture? I do. I almost checked out another fucking pair of these things. Okay. Okay. Okay, there it is. I'll wait a second. No vehicles. Alright, I'll wait a whole minute. I'll wait till it's 40. Right there. And I will see. Okay, it's 40. Submit. Now let's check that email. We will see. Last email took about a minute or two to come in. Okay. Not there. Yeah, it's something with the manual solve, which is kind of a bummer because it took me a long time. I was really proud of it. Probably should have tested like midway through. I gotta think about what it is that wouldn't let it work. Like, what is the difference between the CAPTCHA token given by the service and the CAPTCHA token given by my manual thing? Because personally, I can't really think of anything. Maybe it's something to do with the fact they use the no captcha reCAPTCHA. Okay. Maybe for local, I spoof the no captcha reCAPTCHA instead. I have no idea how this will go. Zero idea. I'm just gonna... Okay, so let's go to my HTML, and we're going to spoof the same CAPTCHA that Supreme uses. So here, I'm going to throw this into the header there. We're also going to need, for the no CAPTCHA, a button at the end of your form. Go ahead and prettify that. Yep. I mean, I don't really know how this is gonna work. I have low expectations. I have no idea how no captcha reCAPTCHA operates. Okay. Or invalid domain for site key. Ooh. Okay. Now we're on to something. Now we are on to something. Invalid domain for site key. This is weird. The auto captcha is literally changing nothing, right? It's just a straight substitute for the manual. It's not changing the way it's in. I can't imagine that it is. I mean, Oh, I'm a dipshit. 1 second. I think I fixed it. Okay, let's see. Now it shouldn't give the invalid error. Now it's doing the thing like it does on Supreme, see? So I don't know how to do it from here. So let me check this shit. It needs a callback. Wait, did that work? That was weird. That one gave me a token and everything. Well, okay. Now let me check again. If I just do that, will it? No, it'll give me an actual captcha box. But if you do a button, it'll give you the thing. But it doesn't seem like there's a difference at all. This ended up being a lot more of an issue, like a project, than I thought it would. Huh. I mean, fuck. I'm trying to think. I can't. I feel like I need to step away from this and think about it intensely. Like, what would actually be causing these issues? Huh. Oh, whoops. Now I'm just going back to the OG way. That's just not going to happen. It's only worked when I use the auto solving service. It's something to do with the CAPTCHA. That's it. Something to do with the manual CAPTCHA. Yeah, because I can just go ahead and call it a day and do the auto, but I really like the manual CAPTCHA. It was like something that I spent a lot of time on, and it definitely speeds up your checkout. It has to be something with a token request being used. Yeah, it is. It is. You're exactly right. I just can't think exactly what it is. I'm looking. Just doing some research on the other monitor. Maybe look through the auto capture site and see how they say they send and receive tokens. Fair. Let me look at that actually. Imagetypers.net. Let's give it a little research, shall we? One moment. Alright, I'm back. Okay. API and plugins. It's gonna be in here probably or something. Yeah, let me check actually the Imagetypers API. Skirt. File upload. I think it's a reCAPTCHA, yeah. Which ID so let's look for returns. Return. Retrieve caption. Okay. Give me a quick little temporary 10-minute break. I'll be right back on streaming. I'm just going to do a 10-minute break. I got to get some water. So I'll be right back. But I'll be right back on, and I'm going to think about it from a fresh perspective. I think I have an idea. So keep your hopes up. And just to get this clear, the script does work, but the manual CAPTCHA is currently the thing that I'm having issues with, which is something that I'm passionate about and I want to have working. So yeah, script's good, script's working, just manual CAPTCHA, not so much. So be right back.